In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Outlook email attachments to OneDrive folder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Outlook on the web, find the right message, and send its attachment straight to your OneDrive, keeping your files organized and accessible from anywhere. I'll point out what to look for on screen and share a few practical tips along the way. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. Look for the official Outlook website result from Microsoft, then click it to open Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account. Once you're in, you'll land in your mailbox. If not, click Mail to make sure you're viewing your email. Head to your inbox. You'll see your list of emails on the left and the reading pane on the right. If you use the Focused and Other tabs, check both. Attachments can appear in either. To quickly spot messages with files, look for the small paperclip icon next to the email subject. Click the message that contains the attachment you want to save. With the email open, scroll to the section where the attachment appears. In Outlook on the web, attachments are displayed as small file tiles with the file name and type. Hover your mouse over the attachment. You should see additional controls appear on or near the file, including a small drop-down arrow or a More Actions option. Click that drop-down icon on the attachment to reveal the full list of actions. From this menu, choose Save to OneDrive. Outlook will start uploading that file directly to your OneDrive. You'll usually see a brief confirmation message indicating that the attachment was saved. By default, Outlook places it in a OneDrive folder typically named Email Attachments, so it's easy to find later. If the file is large, give it a moment to finish. Upload times depend on your internet speed and available OneDrive storage. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the Save to OneDrive option, expand the email fully and make sure you're looking at the Attachments action menu, not just a preview. Also, confirm you're signed into the account where you want the file saved. After saving, you can organize it inside OneDrive whenever you like. That's it. Open Outlook, go to your inbox, open the email, use the Attachments drop-down, and click Save to OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay sections as you follow along.